This method tracks structures in yeast cells in 3 dimensions over many minutes, allowing us to study the dynamics of intracellular organelles and compartments. 4D imaging ensures that we can draw reliable conclusions about intracellular dynamics, particularly for structures or markers that may be transient. Demonstrating the procedure will be Natalie Johnson, a postdoc from my laboratory.
Begin by growing an overnight culture of the yeast strain of interest in 5 milliliters of non-fluorescent synthetic defined, or NSD, medium in a 50 milliliter baffled flask with good aeration at 23 degrees Celsius. 3 to 4 hours before the analysis, dilute the logarithmic phase yeast culture in fresh NSD medium so that the final optical density at 600 nanometers, or OD600, will be 0.5 to 0.8 at the time of imaging. At least 1 hour before the culture is ready, centrifuge an aliquot of a 2 mg per milliliter concanavalin A solution for 5 minutes at full speed to pellet any particulates, and add 250 microliters of the supernatant into a clean 35 mm glass bottom microscopy dish. After 15 minutes, wash the dish 2 to 3 times with 2 milliliters of distilled water per wash, adding 250 microliters of the yeast culture to the concanavalin A-coated dish after it is dried. Wait 10 minutes to allow the cells to adhere, before gently washing the dish 2 to 3 more times with 2 milliliters of fresh NSD medium. Then cover the cells with 2 milliliters of fresh NSD.